Swimming pool sila sa labas. Chicas, accepted here. It's 8:40 already here in the Philippines. Tara, itutur ko kayo dito. Oh, ang cute naman ito, look. Wow, it's only 8:40 but it's getting hot already here. La, la, la. Okay. I forgot my cup. It's already hot here. Tara, ipapakita ako sa inyo yung pool nila dito. It's right here. There you go. Nobody's here. In fairness, malinis yung nila pool. Oh, super clear. Wow. Tsaka hindi siya ganun kalalim. I like this. I like it. Oh. Yung nakalagay dyan. Hindi siya malalim, mga besh. Mababaw lang siya. Which is good para sa mga ito for the kiddos. So, ay makido naman tayo. Hindi siya ganun kalalim, which is 4 feet lang. Oh. Doon nakalagay doon. 4 feet. Oh. Wow. Ang ganda mag-swim dito. I'm not sure do kung allowed ba dito yung nila walk-in. Pero I like it really. I like the pool here. And nobody's here. It's really quiet. And you can sit there, oh, with your family or friends and just enjoy the pool here. Napaka-clean ng water, mga besh. Look at that, oh. maganda mag-swimming, walang tao sa swimming pool. Ang ganda dito, as in, I don't know how much it cost for a night here, but it's really close to SM, into everything. Of course, you can just walk through to the market from SM right there, which is really nice. Yeah. Ang ganda, as in, I like it. Ganda, napaka-peaceful. Tapos may pa sila dito sa labas, oh. Kung gusto mo sa labas ka ng kain. Kung gusto mo naman mag-inquire dito sa loob. There you go. Okay lang. Okay lang. Thank you. May mga postcard sila dito. Ayoko nang postcard. Ang ganda ng mga view. It's only 25 pesos. And dito yung travel and tours. May rin sila dito for travel and tours. It's already open. Then mag-inquire. Tapos yung restaurant, which is dito. Yung restaurant nila dito, super lapit lang sa entrance. Maganda rin yung area dito, in fairness. It's close to everything. Like if you wanna go to SM, it's just right there. There you go. Just walk, by walking from Floris, from Hotel Floris, Palawan. It's Japan. Coffee. Mine, wow. Look at mine. With the vegetables, bread, eggs. Of course, with coffee. Yes, yeah. Right there. That's it.